Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. This one in particular is a hot chocolate pouch, but I've run out of hot chocolate. So little bit of background detail. For those of you who don't know, I have 4 sons, ranging in age down from 19 down to 11, and my youngest 2 sons are the ones who work with me now. So the older ones have worked with me in the past. So my eldest son was 10 when I joined, so I've been a demonstrator for 9 years, so he was 10 when I was joined, and little Oliver was only 2, and they've all at some point in time worked with me, and Oliver is the one who does lots of work with me at the moment. He's my youngest, and he chooses the projects I'm going to make most months. We started this back last summer, and I said to him, "Oh, Oliver, my brain, I can't think of anything to make." I gave him the catalogues and I said, "Can you choose 12 things for me to make?" So he chose the stamp set, and then he would choose perhaps the paper or the style or the theme. And as he's got more experience in it, he now sort of expands on the project. So previously it would just be, this is the paper and this is the stamp set, or this is the stamp set and this is the colour. Now he chooses what kind of box or bag or what have you. So all of January is to his brief. He set everything, and he wanted me to make a hot chocolate slider using the Country Floral, very hearts and flowers, very pretty set. Now, we are just the other side of Christmas. Haven't got any hot chocolate pouches left. They all went, apart from the one that was inside this, because this was designed before Christmas. But like any British family, the other side of Christmas, often there's still some celebrations or roses or what else have we got? Heroes and Quality Street are knocking about, and I've got 4 Mars bars, mini Mars bars, to make little hot chocolate. Well, to replace the fact that I can't make a hot chocolate pouch, I'm going to make one of these. Right, enough jabbering. So this is the Country the Country Gingham. So there's 3 patterns of gingham in 4 colours, and the colours being Balmy Blue, Mint Macaron, Petal Pink, and then Sweet Sorbet, which is what I'm using. And it's just a bit of 6x6. And my hot chocolate went in exactly the same way that these are. These are coming out slightly longer, so I'm going to squish them a bit, and they fit in the middle. So I'm just going to give this a bit of a curl to get it going, just to make life easier for myself. So yeah, Oliver, he chooses what I'm making, and I absolutely love it, because sometimes you, as a creator, and obviously I'm making projects all the time, you end up making the same style over and over and over again. I don't know how this is going to work. This is going to be fun, isn't it? Let's go this way around and just make life a little easier on myself. Yeah, you end up not in a rut. I don't think that's the right way to describe it, but you end up using the same stuff or making the same style of project over and over and over again. And, ooh, that works. Asking him to help out in the summer, when I was quite overwhelmed anyway with just family time and going to New Orleans and goodness knows what else, and the fact that the boys are off for 6 weeks, it really helped, because he looks at things so very differently to how somebody else would. And yeah, it was lovely to start working with him on a different level. I mean, all my boys regularly stuff envelopes and pack catalogues and do all of that, and the younger boys particularly, do still help out with stamping and making my thank you cards and things. But having him sort of help me on a creative level, love it. Right, so this is my punch. It will punch flowers from one of the designer series paper sheets. Oh, how have I got ink on that? Oh, it's probably from the past project. Or it will do this for you. So what I'm going to do, so this is all one punch out. So that's 1. And then my leaves are 1 as well. And the cat is shouting. So what I'm going to do, there's far too much. I only wanted 1 bit. So with some Sweet Sorbet, I'm going to stamp my flowers. Sorrel is downstairs shouting, letting the world know she's there. So I can punch those 2 in one go. I'm going to hang on to that for a second and get some soft succulent. and get my leaves down here, and hopefully if I've done this right, yes, because I want to hang on to that plain white heart as well. Let me scooch those out of the way. So I'm going to get my heart and my For You and stamp that in the middle there. And push it all together. So my heart with a dimensional here, and I'm going to take my leaves and I'm just bending them in the middle down the length just to get a bit of texture. So it's just on the length to make them sort of a bit more like petals, or leaves I should say. I'm in a mini dimensional on the back if I could pick it up. There we go. Sorrel has just come into my office and she's got on top of my paper racks that are to the left of me, and she's walking herself backwards and forwards along them, obviously. And then For You down there, and then my last little heart. Oh, I want a small dimensional mini one. I did buy some mini white ones the other day. I don't know where they are though. I've carefully filed them somewhere. And then just over there. Oh, who's texting me? I don't know. So this one is the hot chocolate one, and this one is, that's got 4 chocolates in there. You could probably get mini bars of chocolates, but I like them. They're very cute. Oliver's idea. I hope you like them too. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Speak to you soon. Bye.